हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी कैसे? गुड इवनिंग। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब इन साउथ इंडिया. So those who are looking job in Bangalore, for them it is a very good opportunity. The name of the organization is St. John's Medical College and Research Institute, which is situated in Bangalore, and it is the ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research Center for Advanced Research for cardiovascular disease prevention. So it is very good important to those who want to work in a medical setting, and for them this is a very good opportunity. Indian Council of Medical Research is very reputed organization. Working here is a very nice, will be nice for learning as well as everything. So the name of the post is here is for consultant, that is scientific in nature. For that project, for that this post you have to enroll for a project work for a qualitative study to explore health system barrier and the facilitator of the cardiovascular disease reduction. And eligibility criteria for this vacancy is very good for those who are from wide range of educational background like MA, MSc, MSW, MPH, MHA, MD, PhD, postdoctoral with experience in qualitative study must be based on Bangalore. So if you are the student and person who have completed their MSW and you are belong to Bangalore, then this is the very nice to apply here. You must have the skill to for willing to travel in Puducherry, Bhopal, Dibrugarh, and knowledge of Kannada and Tamil is very necessary because this is the local job, scientific in nature and qualitative study type of nature. So you must have the knowledge of local language, that is Kannada and Tamil. Two languages for this vacancy is very important. You must have the knowledge of Kannada as well as Tamil also. For this vacancy you have the excellent communication skill as well as knowledge of Kannada, Tamil and Hindi also is required here. If you are having the knowledge of Hindi and CVD penology, then it will be very more chance to get selected. So duration for this project is 6 months and can be extended up to 12 months. CAR project principal investigator will be Dr. Dennis, and the responsibilities for this vacancy is conducting qualitative study and stay at the site for up to 2 weeks and translate with the help of site personnel and transcribe data onto MS Word on NVivo and perform the first level open coding and also involvement in data analysis, interpretation and manuscript write up. And for this you will get 50,000 per month. This is very nice. And co-author based on contribution and also travel cost, short term travel insurance as per them. So यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी दी जा रही है, लाइक यू हैव टू, दे आर गिविंग यू ट्रैवल कोस्ट, शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस, ऑल्सो 50,000 of your salary, and you will also get the perk of being nominated as the co-author. So this is you are going to be work as a researcher and you are getting here the credit also. So as a co-author you will get your name. So if you are interested in such kind of vacancies, just send your CV to kamath.deepak@cd.ras.in. So you have to send your resume CV to this email address. So this is all about today. This is very good opportunity to those who have completed their MSW and having work experience and having knowledge about the qualitative study and research. They want to do some more research over their health sector and want to work as a consultant scientific in a Bangalore district, so they can apply for this vacancy. So this is all about today. फिर मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून. थैंक यू.